New York City in summer is a symphony of experiences. The air crackles with energy. Laughter dances on the breeze. Imagine the scent of street food, the rhythm of buskers' tunes. This is New York at its most alive. Forget the tourist traps. This summer, discover a different New York. Find hidden gardens tucked between towering skyscrapers. Sip cocktails on rooftops as the sun sets over Manhattan. Let the city surprise you. This is a city that never sleeps, but in summer, it dreams a little. It's a time to slow down, savor the long days, explore hidden corners, stumble upon unexpected delights. Get ready to fall in love with New York all over again. This summer, let New York be your playground. Let it invigorate you, inspire you, and leave you breathless. Are you ready for the adventure? Central Park is New York's beating heart, a green oasis amidst the urban jungle. But beyond the famous landmarks, secrets lie hidden. This summer, escape the crowds, discover the park's tranquil soul, wander through the conservatory garden, 6.5 acres of pure horticultural bliss, breathe in the scent of roses in bloom, admire the elegant symmetry of the Italian garden, find peace in the whispering fountain of the Burnett Fountain, lose yourself in the ramble. This wild, wooded expanse feels a world away from the city. Birdsong fills the air. Sunlight filters through the leaves. Follow winding paths. Discover hidden streams and bridges. End your day at Belvedere Castle. Perched atop Vista Rock, it offers panoramic park views. Watch the sunset over the city skyline, the sky ablaze with color. A perfect New York moment. New York's skyline is legendary, and what better way to experience it than from a rooftop bar? Summer evenings were made for this. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city lights begin to twinkle. Head to the roof at Park South. Overlooking the Empire State Building, it offers breathtaking views. Sip on a signature cocktail, feel the summer breeze on your skin. Let the city's energy wash over you. For a more intimate setting, try Bar 65 at the Rainbow Room. Located on the 65th floor of 30 Rockefeller Center, it exudes timeless elegance. Enjoy live jazz music as you savor champagne and oysters, or escape to the Westlight. Perched atop the William Vale Hotel in Williamsburg, it offers stunning views of Manhattan. Relax on plush couches, savor globally inspired cocktails and small plates. This is summer living at its finest. New York is a melting pot of cultures, and nowhere is this more evident than in its food scene. This summer, embark on a culinary adventure at Smorgasburg. This open-air food market showcases the city's most exciting vendors. Every weekend, a different Brooklyn location, from Williamsburg's waterfront to Prospect Park's green expanse. Sample dishes from around the globe, Argentinian empanadas, Japanese takoyaki, Belgian waffles. Your taste buds will thank you. Beyond the food, Smorgasburg is an experience. Live music fills the air. Local artisans display their crafts. It's a feast for the senses, a celebration of food, community, and summer in the city. Come hungry, come curious. Leave with a satisfied appetite and a heart full of summer joy. Smorgasburg is New York at its most delicious. New York is a global art capital, and summer brings a fresh wave of creativity. This year, experience art in a new light, explore immersive installations, discover hidden galleries. Let the city be your canvas. Wander through the High Line. This elevated park, built on former railway lines, hosts rotating art installations. Sculptures, murals, and interactive pieces surprise and delight. Experience art against the backdrop of the city skyline. Visit the MoMA PS1's warm-up series. Every Saturday, the museum's courtyard transforms into an open-air music and art festival. Dance to emerging DJs. Explore site-specific installations. Connect with fellow art enthusiasts. Explore the city's vibrant street art scene, from the colorful murals of Bushwick to the graffiti art of the Lower East Side. Each piece tells a story, a testament to the city's creative spirit. Let the art lead you on an urban adventure. Summer in New York is alive with music. From iconic venues to hidden parks, the city pulses with rhythm. This year, Experience the magic of live music under the stars. Let the melodies be your soundtrack to summer. Head to Central Park's Summer Stage. This beloved festival offers free concerts throughout the summer. Experience a diverse lineup of artists, from legendary musicians to up-and-coming stars. Pack a picnic, spread out a blanket, and enjoy the show. For classical music lovers, the Mostly Mozart Festival at Lincoln Center is a must. Enjoy world-renowned orchestras and soloists. Experience the power of music under the open sky. It's a summer tradition that never disappoints. Explore the city's hidden music venues. Catch a jazz performance in a cozy Greenwich Village club. Discover emerging indie bands in Brooklyn's underground scene. Let the music lead you on an unforgettable journey. Escape the city heat without leaving the five boroughs. New York is a city surrounded by water, offering ample opportunities for aquatic adventures. This summer, rediscover the city from a different perspective. Rent a kayak or paddleboard and explore the Hudson River. Glide past the Statue of Liberty, the Manhattan skyline your backdrop. Feel the spray of the water on your face. Experience the city's energy from a new angle. Take a ferry to Governor's Island. Escape the city bustle in this car-free oasis. Explore historic buildings, relax in hammocks, or enjoy panoramic city views. It's the perfect place to unwind and recharge. For a truly unique experience, hop on a sailboat in the New York harbor. Feel the wind in your hair as you sail past iconic landmarks. Watch the sunset over the city skyline. It's an unforgettable way to experience New York's maritime charm. Beneath its modern facade, New York City holds centuries of history. This summer, step back in time, wander through cobblestone streets, discover hidden gardens and architectural gems. Let the city's past unfold before your eyes. Explore the West Village. Lose yourself in its labyrinthine streets. Admire the neighborhood's charming brownstones and hidden courtyards. Imagine the city as it was in a bygone era. Visit the Merchant's House Museum. This perfectly preserved 19th century home offers a glimpse into old New York. Explore the family's belongings, from furniture to clothing. Step back in time and experience history firsthand. Find tranquility in one of the city's many hidden gardens. From the serene Japanese garden in Brooklyn Botanic Garden to the tranquil oasis of the Cloisters Gardens, these peaceful retreats offer respite from the city's hustle. New York City in summer is an experience like no other, a symphony of energy, excitement, and unexpected delights. From rooftop bars with breathtaking views to hidden gardens tucked away in the heart of the city, this summer let New York be your playground. Explore its iconic landmarks and discover its hidden gems. Savor the flavors of its diverse culinary scene. Immerse yourself in its vibrant art and music scene. Dream of sunny days spent exploring Central Park's hidden trails. Imagine evenings sipping cocktails on rooftops as the city lights twinkle below. Let the anticipation build for your next summer adventure. New York City awaits. Are you ready to fall in love with the city that never sleeps?